In the last video, I showed you how to use any character model in Spark. In this one, I need to show you how to adjust weapon positions and rotations for each of your characters. As you can see here, this greatsword is no longer placed correctly in the hand because now we're using the Cinti character model. Spark has a system just made for that. The first thing to do is to go to the scene view and focus on your character. I'm going to then disable the animator components. This will prevent the hand from moving all the time, which will make it harder to place the greatsword where we want it to be. And then I can just select the greatsword, rotate it a bit, and try to place it as best as possible. You can, of course, spend more time than I will be spending now just to make it perfect. Me, I'm just trying to get it right for the video. I think this looks decent. I can now go ahead and re-enable the animator component for my player character. Now we need to actually save this position somewhere, otherwise the next time we equip the weapon it will just be the same bad position from before. To do so, you go under Spark, Playables, Transform, and Coordinates. And here you create a new one. You can call it whatever you want. In this case, it's going to be Cinti Greatsword. And here, all I'm gonna do is drag and drop this sword that we just changed the position of and drag it to the source transform here. And as you can see, it automatically sets all the values here. Lastly, what I need to do now is to go under Items, Items, and find the basic greatsword. And if I scroll down here, we can see the character coordinate section. All I'm gonna do is add a new one for the Cinti character and select the Cinti greatsword coordinates. And you can do all these things while staying in play mode, by the way. And now, if I unequip the sword and re-equip it, you can see that it is placed exactly where we saved those coordinates. Now, this is not something you will have to do for each individual item. In most cases, every greatsword will work with the same coordinates. You might have to tweak maybe a few of them if their model is different. So usually, I would suggest you to set up one coordinate maybe for greatsword, axes, staves, things like that, and you can usually reuse them for similar items. And so whenever you add a new race or a new playable character in your game, you can just go here, add it here, and add its new coordinates. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Let me know as always in Discord and in the comment if you have any question, and if you need help, reach out to us on Discord.